welcome to my channel. So today I'm doing a hair video, guys. I've had this braid for 2 weeks now, and today I'm styling differently, and I was like, why don't I film it and give you guys the style? So without chatting too much, let's get into the video. So I'm going to take it down. I need to bring my mirror. So as you can see, there's a line here. When I was lady was braiding it, I told her to just leave the line because of the way I want to later on style it. So I'm going to just grab this part. So I'm going to just grab some part of the front here. And then I'm going to just start by, I take one like this, go all over, and then the next one. Guys, did you see what I did? So I'm going to use a rubber band to secure it while I do the other one. So I'm going to grab the other half like this, the front parts, and then add this to it. Then I'll go over. Pick one, go over it, go over it, go over it. So I have something like this. Now start with squeezing, something like that. Then, since I already have this one, I'm just going to bring it at the back of my. And then with either rubber band or anything, I'm going to use a ribbon, but now this is what I have. I forgot to take my ribbon, so I'm going to use this rubber band to secure it. You have to make sure to make it tight so that it doesn't lose. Pretty simple hairstyle actually, and I love it. Whenever I have this type of braids, I love styling it like this. And push everything that is left inside like this. So guys, this is what I've come up with. Let me turn around for you guys to see. So that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Guys, I don't take your presence here for granted. I'm so grateful. Your girl is super grateful. So yes, today's video is very quick, simple video. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.